How to post a picture on Instagram. Welcome to Create, Login and Delete. I'm Nana and let's jump right into this video. Open Instagram and tap on the plus sign. Now select any photograph from your gallery. Here I have selected mine. In here you can go ahead and select a filter. I'll be choosing the Lark filter. Now tap on it once again to adjust the filter strength. Now then you can go ahead and tap on edit and you can adjust the brightness, contrast, saturation, warmth and more. Here I've speeded up the process. You can also add music by simply tapping on the music icon which is at the top. Now to select burst, just slide it something like this. Then you can also select the time duration of the music. Here I'll be setting it to 15 seconds and then tap on done. Now on to the next step, write a caption that you want with your photograph. For an example, I'll be writing into the waves. You can just leave it as it is or you can even put an emoji here and you can just tap on save because this is the last step of posting a photograph. Now once you're happy with it, you can either add a location or tag people. Then once you're happy with it, tap on share. Now all you have to do is to wait for it to be posted and mine looks something like this. Hopefully you will try it on your own and happy posting. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.